Okay. How are you?
I don't know well, sir.
How are you, ma'am? You can talk in vernacular or in Tagalog. We will allow that one. So, how's if you're going to rate your demo teaching this afternoon from 1 to 10, what 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 rating you will give? Yes.
Sige, ma-open na pagpapang nga tanan, ma-open nga ako, sir. Ano ay ka-cancer, pag-cancer. Okay, honestly speaking, kung grade man ako, karoon ko ng mga rating is, at least 7. Okay, dito ako, wala ito ako. It's not a big deal.
Sa likod ako, mama.
Actually, pag sa ako ni mga person kasi pag-iwo kayo wala kita mag-iwo dito so dito na ako kaya wala di ba we're at that end so we should embrace na mga challenge kay alam kita dito di ba nan ako niya pala ako na para ko na alam niyo ay ma Mr. Elmer taga alam niyo dito ako nakita kami ko niya dito so now ito lang sa kasi mo accept the challenge though I'm not really prepared pero ayaw ko na defense, so I have choice on Jerry and Zed. So ito nga rin na 7, okay, kuha ako, sir. Sir, kung matakaroon kung this is my first time to have demonstration at division level, kung baga ako, I'll show my best, pero kung baga dali ko ura-ura kasi I want to hear the honest critic coming from the facilitator kasi yung mga critic dito may tamaan, mag-grow. Wala naman nila si Wood. It's natural, tanggapin natin, kahit dito talaga kita mahibabat, dahil ito pinakalapin natin kahit. Ito ay matalaga ni ba? Do not take yourself that you are one. Perfect. Kung baga, accept the flows, the one. Mas amo na ito. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Kung i-grade ko po ako self, I guess, 8. Knowing, from lesson plan, nag-goal ako. Kaya, naghimo ako. Then, na-challenge hapon ako, kaya actually, nag-start pala ako from mono to MG, months pala, ilang pala ng March. Pag na-challenge ako, meaning pagpa-observe, kay parang hapon ako mag-TA, kaya akong talaga iskolin, nagsisinirin ako kaiya. During kasi yan CO, anakan kasi papasahiya is kanan, mono nga format. Kay knowing an IPCRF, kaya dito ang part ng IPCRF, nga hindi nakakasulod ang kanan MG nga mga process kumpara kung nagre-rate ka ng baseline ka ng IPCRF, yung mga chronic to, kumbaga, feeling ko, hindi rin nakakasunod. Ano siya, basta nagpapasiw nga ni ako, itong ginagamit ka ng kuhaan muna po nga format. Tapos, nagsiring niya, actually, yung challenge ako niya pagsiring. Ma'am, kung nantukan ako, no, ipakiana daw ko, no, kung tama mo rin mo lesson plan, or kung natin susunod ka ng MG, pero nagsiring ako, to be honest lang, mag-uul talaga po niyo. Then, na-challenge ihapon ako, hanakon pag-create hanakon materials, kay baga nag-connect ihapon ako, based na ako na hibaruan and discussions. Paggamit ng ICT, paggamit ng mga hyperlink, at mga grouping activities sa bata, tapos talaga pinagkuyatan ko. Although, di gadiwat ako makakasirin ng gano'n ako makumpiyansa. Kaya maarap ako nagpantigang pala po ako.
For that honest rating to yourself and being that have courage to do that one, I am pretty sure that you gain knowledge and I congratulate you for doing that job. Tagal-anin na ito mapasunod. So, mag-assert na yun. So, say, in having the lesson, in having a lesson with 2 class or more, it is good that you will present the objective first. Say, our objective this morning is all about grade 4, our lesson for today, our objective for today is this one. Group 5, our lesson objective for the day is one. And it would be better if you are going to pace. And if there are monitors, and also the learner will be guided what you are going to accomplish for the day. So, dapat malalaman nila ang objective ng day na yun. So, there must be unlocking of difficulties in all the aspects. Since it is science, sir, ang hirap-hirap ng science, di ba? And we need to have unlocking of difficulties for that. And there must be a review of the lesson from the past lesson or to connect our lesson for today. Huwag niyong kakalimutan yun. Ha? Teacher? Then, in presenting, since what is your objective, sir? Na-memorya mo na yung objective? Kita niyo kuan. Sige. Basahan niyo yung objective.
Okay, so an objective for grade 5. So after the discussion, the pupils will be able to identify the materials that can block, absorb, and transmit light. Also, they were able to compare objects that are transparent, translucent, and opaque. For grade 6, so the objectives were to demonstrate how electricity can be transformed. So, yun lang po sir.
Sige. When we are going to have observation, the observer is looking only, we focus on the objective. Since the objective you from grade 5 is relatability of materials to block or absorb transmit, it would be necessary or that I know that we are here. We cannot gather all the materials you need. Like for example, mirror. Di ba wala tayong mirror? For that ano to yan? Reflection. So, it would be better na lang kasi kung wala. Dapat tayong mga guro, madiskarte tayo. We need to be one ahead of them. So, since wala tayong mirror, pwede kasi magsaring. Now, mga bata, do you have mirror in your bag? Diba? Okay, siyempre, para mamimili nila. Kita, na mga teacher, kailangan natin talaga real object na makikita nila nga ma-experience ito nila. Kaya magkakasiring gula tira nga, I learned that lesson for today. Diba? So, ang translucent naman, when it comes translucent, it would be better if the learners do that task. Sorry sir, wala kasi anak, put hand pencil. Diba? Nasa ring anak ko, meron nila learning by doing. Kung na-experience siya nito bata, may babarong kung mag-iinaman lang kita nga mag-iinaman. Pero na ito ka percent, pero if you do it one, marimit ito ka ira. Diba? So, translucent dapat. Sige, let us try that translucent. Okay. Who among you will do this activity? Okay. Ito, what do you observe? Diba? Kailangan pirmi kita, may alam, what do you observe? Do you have something to say? Or did you understand our lesson for today? Pero may good kami ito. Mga pag-iano, may dito man di ba? May dito man sa rin nga. Tuwan, basta yun. Pero kailangan talaga mapag-iano ko. Or Do you have clarification for our lesson for today? Then, in shifting other group or other grade level, in shifting, there must be, you need to impose how many minutes ano yun, they will work for that. So, okay, madam, grade 5, I'm going to give you an activity. It takes 5 minutes. Tapos matatapanin. Tapos ikulot ko ang ka. Ano yung away ka na, 5 minutes na. Mahatag ka rin ng activity, di mag-ingat ka talaga dito. Ako bang kukunin ko, mamati na lang, ano-ano talagang bubuhat. Tapos, 5 minutes na, makapag ka naliwan. Masyintip na naliwan. Ayaw, ayun po ang in crafting your DLL, it is not necessary that you will copy in the, in the bayan. Because as I told them, that you are the captain of your ship. And ako what I did, I am focused on the objective. Then the objective, I am the one who made the activity. Paano po niya ang iyong activity, maawa ini? Sige daw, grade 3. Ano iyong objective?
Objective for grade 3, nagagamit ang tamang salitang kilos, pandiwa sa pagsasalaysay ng mga personal na karanasan.
So, nagagamit ang natamang salitang kilos pandiwa sa pagsasalaysay ng personal na karanasan. Personal na karanasan, that is your objective. Ayaw na kamo pamili ibang mga activity na diri magawas kitahin aton lesson. For example, di ba kasi nagagamit ang tamang salitang kilos o padiwa sa pagsasalaysay ng mga personal na karanasan. Mga bata, ano ginawa niyo noong unang nung nakaraan araw? Diretso, inject gayo with niya mga karanasan. Kasi pwede ito guys, siyempre grade 5 ng grade 3 pala. Grade 3. Pwede daw mga mga activity ka, mga kuwanira, mga karanasan. Pwede yan magsulat kung ano Oo.
Ano ang ginawa ninyo kahapon? Anong ginagawa ninyo ngayon? Anong gagawin ninyo bukas?
Oo. Mas maupay dito ma'am, hiraan ko kanan ni. Since we are the facilitator, wala kita. Give us, since we are facilitator, ayaw na kamo pa. Inatanda mo. For example, ma-present ka ng objective. Sige, let us read. Kanya sa mabasa, let us read. Mas maupay, do you have something to say? Did you understand? Or give me example. Labi na ang imumaman, may daga kasi diti, mas maupay, natin motivation, kay since it is mga salitang kilos, kasi di ang grade 4 mo is pang-abay. So, diretso kita motivation questions. Pwede na nga diretso picture. See. Class, ito ang picture. Ano ang masasabi niyo sa picture? Di ba? Mayroon ka nito nga picture na nagsasayaw. Okay. Ano masasabi niyo sa picture? Ang dalawang bata ay nagsasayaw ng maganda o maayos. So Didi, okay. Ano dito ang salitang kilos? Nagsasayaw. Ano dito ang pangabay? Anong pangabay? Ano dito pangabay? Ano ba dito pangabay? Kaya din. Dito pala ito, makakasiling ka na, o meron na nahiragin, na nag-inject kahin salitang kilos, kahit pang-uri ay maganda. Diba? Tapos dito ka na, ayaw na kita pag dinamon ng mga activity nga diri man na drive itong atong objective. That is the essence of being a teacher. So, again, noticed that you have different, you gain knowledge because you engage, or we notice that there are different differentiated instructions. Congrats for that. Tapos ICT integration, kamagdati na niyo. Tapos mga, ano ni, dada mga damo nga activity. And, sige. So much for that. I will end my talk because I have my partner. Baka mawaray na yan si sir. Thank you, and I hope that you really have understand what I imparted to you, and I hope that you will use that one when you go to your respective station. And I give my partner.
Afternoon. Okay, congratulations. So, to Sir Emilio and Ma'am May. So, accepting the challenge is, kumbaga, panalo nyo na. Because demonstrating in front of your co-teachers is really hard, kumbaga, di ba? Do you agree, Ma'am?
Yes.
Mas mahulba kung gagawin pa pa yung co-teacher. Now, these are the things that I observed as in Sir Emilio. So, kaimo DLP, in your DLP, I observed that your icons is not updated. This is the old icons that we're using. Okay, but direct teaching, we only use the group word is definition na lang. Ha? So, this is old pa po. Another thing that I observed, in your activity, after your activity na yung binatag, there is no feedback. Wala yung feedback kung kung the answer. Kasi have you observed, the groups are different. We have different answers. So, paano nababasa ng bata kung tama? Because there is no feedback from the teacher. Diba supposed to be, after the group work, there should not feedback from the teacher. So, ako lang sir, ako pala nakita ay medyo halang loading pa. Next is, the good point sir, is really you integrate the use of the visualization in a graphic organizer. Diba? You organize your thoughts in a graphic organizer by using the Venn diagram. So another thing is, ano nagkaroon na yung with sir? Oh, so 40 na si sir, but you really integrate, you really use the ICT, technology-based strategy. Ino talaga
Thank you, ma'am.
ang technology. So, ako lang ito, ang cancer naman ang iba. To Ma'am May naman, busy na pag-attendance, wala lang makakita ng inyong concert. So, but these are the things that kumbaga nagbuhan ako ng attention. The first one is you really have differentiated instruction. Hain mo activity, di ba? Hain mo report, may differentiated instruction. And also, di ba, by simply asking, oh, hindi din ang kuan, you give the kuan, your list. You had your individualized also strategy. So that is only my observation. So I will pass the microphone to my co-observer. Thank you and congratulations to all.
Thank you so much to my colleagues, Sir Francisco and Ma'am Ai. Sige daw, paano daw rin makusog na pagpakita? Okay, so, Sir Nino and Ma'am May. Para na yung score, naging na rin 7 and 8. Sobrado. Di, bakit lang ito 5? That's, karag sugad siguro, sugad hirap ako well prepared. First, again, give yourself a big round of applause.
Kulang yung pakpak, kulang yung demo. Oo. Sir Francisco have noted the things that need to be improved. Yeah, actually what? I will be highlighting the things na para akon umigbaw with the demonstration because it's no easy to become a demonstration teacher during a division training. Yung pagsiring pala ng yes is something. Pero when you say this is a hint to everyone. When you say yes, ha? Siguraduhan nga yes ito. Kaya bangon ka oriented training, magluha-luha ka pag sakit pasti uli. Ha? Sige, balita. First and foremost, I was looking for the aspect na na-apply and discuss ng mga trainers from the different breakout rooms. Di ba? Kaman ni Sir Francisco, si Ma'am Judith, ano yung Judith? Awan ay ni Ma'am Bernadette, ni Ma'am Marge, ni Ma'am Marilyn. So I was looking for the things na na-discuss. And luckily, both of them were able to do the lesson planning. At tulaan niya kanila ni Ma'am Aika nga an icons. But the rest of the plan was very good. So, pagi pa ito muna nilang pakpak. Para patayan ang susona, di ba? Dapat pakpakan ko ng pansona, nakita ka mong sona. And so, another thing is on ICT integration. I guess ICT integration in and another point is integration, hindi na ako silahan ICT. Paano pa hiya magiging way nga magiging successful ang teaching? Pag-integrate ng ICT. So, nahimo ang ni Sir na ni Ma'am. Paano tagyapiran mo ko sa pagkakataon? Oh yes. Ito again lang, kinahanglan na maging careful, i-review through, kay pag-gawa sa ito nila atubang yung mga bata, tapos may anas sa'yo, napakamatay ka na lang. Hindi rin ko rin mababal. Labi na mga bata, labi na kung nagtitikan pala ito ng mga bata, kung ano talaga nila makita ang amo na ito. Yes. And then the teaching approaches, ito na mga group kuan, group dynamics, ito na mga pag-grupan kabataan, nakita ko gihapon. And then, may nakuliligin surat kan Sir ninyo. On the other hand, and nasa rin himam nga ni Sir na waray feedback, on the other hand, that was something very good to me. Nasa rin kiriyan no, the teacher never misses to relate the lesson to real life situation. Siguro kay nakukalay sa na-overwhelm anuhan time ka nagdadagmit, pero he throws questions which are hot question na nag-develop talaga. Kung una itong mga kabataan niya kaatubang, most probably, kung pa na itong kabataan, mababaruhan ko yung maupay. Because the questions were really mag-upay para haak. And for Ma'am, Ma'am kasi when I met during the first time in him, parang paning Ma'am season, pero natin Ma'am, 28, 38, pero kaya service, 30. So, ako na nakita na iya. Pero kanina, when she was discussing, parang bumata iya. Oo, the energy was very high. And aniya good thing kanina. Yes. Kasi hindi mo ito niya. Kasi kumitak na niya uban. Tapos nakalungay niya. Kasi kanina, nakabutok na niya. Bumataan niya, performance, pumataasan niya energy. That was very good thing. Kaya na, bato pangalan kabataan, hindi ka naluluya. Yes. And ang pinakamaupay haniya, she clearly defined kunahay ng grade 3, kung kunahay ng grade 4. Grade 3 ba? Grade 4, kunahay ng grade 3. Importante ito niya. Ginahanglan, pag demonstration teaching, i-clear niya yung mga mga bata amo ito ni grade 3, tas group 1, group 2? Oo, that was very clear to me. Ginahanglan may translate niyo nga message na to hiton nag-observe. Kay kuan man ini diri man niya mono grade class. Another thing is the learner shows enthusiasm because the teacher allows a free classroom through her tone of voice and action. Ano yung mga action diri himam kuan bagat light na bagat pag-enjoy like this is a grade 3 and grade 4 class. That was very clear to me. And lastly, inihap na very good ko hiya kay while there was direct teaching, I was sure that there was a direct teaching here, and the other group was having group teaching, group work. Ginkukan pa niya, clear niya instruction. When nag-direct teaching din, clear niya instruction din yan usa. That was very good. Oo, kay reality, practically speaking, na nagkikinitaan na, ano ba, kung dito in iya classroom, ano ba yung relationship in iya dyan? In reality, para sa kanina dito, may nagpinasaway, gin-a-address niya yung maupay. So, pag mo sa dapat, o gin-a-address niya yung maupay, diri kay bakit magkilala ka mo, kay kung ano niya, training, bagat papabayaan mo lang. That was addressed properly by Ma'am May. So,
Thank
you so much.
Kasi ano yung Mount May, and the use of signals sa niyang marvels.
Oo, yes. Yes.
Hindi mo na kailangan na magsalita ng tumahimik, tumayo. May ginagamit ka na.
So, Asha, congratulations sa ninyo. Kaya ka years sa service? 6 years. Congratulations. And Ma'am May. Nakikita ko kayo nga doon magiging effective talaga yung class.
Nag-iiba talaga yung pag ano ng
Yes.
classroom, as in, ano yung voice, modulated, parang you really speak clearly.
Thank you so much.
Tapos talaga yung impact. Thank you again, and congratulations.